How's it going, everybody? Tucker from Kinetic Garage here. We are about to start cleaning this garage so we can build this frickin' Evo. As you can see, it's a little torn apart right now. This place is a mess. See, we got lots of parts over here. Bumper, some balance shafts, some more parts. Just stuff everywhere, basically. Hood on top of the car. Toolboxes everywhere. Valves. We're gonna see how nice we can make this so we can set up the table so we can start building this engine after we send it off to the machine shop soon. And I'll show you guys the progress maybe when we start moving some stuff around. All right, little update. I've moved a bunch of stuff outside, got out of the way. Kind of see the Evo now. Trying to figure out where I want to put the black toolbox and that little storage wood, or if I just want to get rid of that. I want to put the white toolbox over there most likely. Moving stuff, cleaning stuff might take longer than I expected. We're gonna find out because I've been at this for longer than I thought it was gonna take. But got to get it clean so we can start this build up. All right, it might look like more of a mess right now, but it's actually getting there. Got a lot of the sweeping done up. Moved everything kind of to this corner because the next thing I need to do is get rid of that shelf there and this storage right here and probably this right here and replace them with some nicer shelving and add a light so we can actually see over there when we start working on everything, because the only lights we have are up here and over there. So there's your update. It's going well. When we get all that, then we're gonna have to start organizing all of our parts because I have them scattered just about everywhere in the garage here. So hopefully we'll get some storage cabinets in here, get a light. We'll be rolling. All right, we are back again. Another update. I'm getting done, just about wrapping up today, but have everything over here, of course, which, you know, kind of half looks like a mess, but we'll clean that up after we kind of get this all situated. I've got a table for this, and I'm hoping to buy maybe some like 5-stage, 4-stage shelves for this. We're getting rid of this. Don't need that anymore. And when we get the shelves for this, we're either gonna be able to set up like a space heater or this pellet stove here. That'll work for some heat because it gets very cold in here in the winters. Yeah. But yeah, everything on here should fit in this corner pretty nicely when I grab that shelf. The building table, that stuff might have to move. Hopefully we'll find a home on a shelf for some turbo and manifold, some of the transmission brackets and stuff. I got my valve cover here, clutch parts, you name it, it's over here. Some interior. If you come over here, got all this over here for now. Jack stands. This box needs to be filled with everything in this black box. Old stock radiator. We've got the transmission sitting over here with the toolbox on top of it, front diff. Some motor mounts, but we'll find a home for everything once we get there. You know, take everything out of this bay and it's all spread out everywhere. So, all right, we are back. I just measured the shelf. It's about 8 foot long, and we got about 7 feet until we hit the header supports up there. So, hoping to go to the store, find something to replace that. Also build the table that I got the other day. We also need to add a light up in here somewhere so we can see, because we only have lights over here and up in there. So when we're working over here, I'm gonna need some light. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the store. Next time I see you guys, hopefully this will look a little better. All right, we picked up the storage racks, the shelving. Got 2 of these. Got a table. We've got some lights up here. that we're hopefully gonna put at least one of these up, maybe two, depending. With the low ceiling, I think I might want two. Probably one like in this area over here, and then one over here. But yeah, gotta take everything off these shelves, tear the shelves down, build the other ones, and organize all this stuff. Oh wait, we got a lot of boxes here. About to do this. I got this guy over here. He's not too much help, but he's not bad.
I'm here in my garage with my Evo.
About to put the shelves on. I did make the table earlier. Shouldn't say we. He wasn't here to help, but got some parts on there. Still gotta get this thing out here eventually. Gotta take all that stuff off when we build the one shelf. And yeah, hopefully
Your lips coming apart.
it'll do that and it'll work. What's falling apart?
Your lip.
Nah, that's fine.
Oh, okay. Just a flesh one.
Yeah, don't worry about that.
Here in my garage with my Evo 3.
All right, another progress update here. The garage, I think, looks worse overall, but I'm giving up for the day. It's a little hot here, calling it Hell's Porch, so that's fun this week. But got these shelving units here put up. I don't know if I showed you guys the table. We got the light up. Gonna have to staple that up there too. Kind of looks dumb right now, but just wanted to be able to see what it would look like. All the parts over here on the ground, as you can see, gonna go up on those shelves there. Gonna have some room for our turbo parts, clutch, you know, battery tray, battery, all that random interior stuff over there. Bumper should fit back up kind of where it was, either on that top shelf or maybe like the bottom down in there. We'll see where everything fits, but should be looking good soon. Hopefully tomorrow. I know I keep saying that, but I'll be able to finish this up. It is very hot out here, so I'm gonna call it a day. Well, after a brief break, we are now done cleaning up the garage, unless I decide I want to move something else, but got pretty much everything cleaned up. Maybe we'll throw that bumper right above where it's at up here, but besides that, everything's pretty much good. The white toolbox over here, transmission and diff are kind of on the ground. I don't feel like lifting the transmission again and putting it somewhere else, so we're gonna keep that there for now. Cherry picker, engine stand, kind of over here. Got to take out the trash, but that, got the shelf with all the stuff on it, all the extra old parts, new parts, not really new stuff, but new old stuff, old stuff. Got the light in, that's brighter than bright, so we should be good there. Have to staple that cord up to the wood though. That looks stupid right now, but that's all right. But yeah, pretty much got her all done. And yeah, that should be it for the video. Appreciate you guys watching. Stay until the end. Hopefully, sooner than later, we'll start ripping this down and cleaning all this up. Because it is dirty. Seen some oil over the years, that's for sure. So, all right. Appreciate it, guys. Peace.